SoterCoach remains the most innovative safety wearable on the market. Powered by advanced AI, it measures more movements, understands how hard the body is working, and delivers real-time coaching exactly when it matters. Unlike traditional wearables, SoterCoach just doesn't count motion. It estimates effort, identifies fatigue and strain, and turns complex biomechanics into simple, timely feedback for individual workers. That level of intelligence is why Wincanton, one of the UK's largest logistics providers, chose SoterCoach. With over 17,500 employees operating across 200 plus sites, manual handling is central to daily operations, and safety performance matters at scale. Wincanton deploys SoterCoach across distribution centres to give workers better awareness of their movements and to give leaders real visibility into risk across teams and locations. The results speak for themselves. A 48% reduction in musculoskeletal injuries, a 62% improvement in high-risk movements, and £2.1 million in annual savings. This is what happens when AI doesn't just measure work, it coaches it. SoterCoach, safety intelligence, proven at scale.